Hey guys, I'm Chef Delz and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you another quick meal recipe of grilled basil chili chicken with some noodles which I'll be tossing in some garlic butter and spring onions and some sauteed vegetables. So guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes every week. You can even follow me on Instagram at chef_Delz. For now, let's move on with the recipe. Let's begin with the marination for the chicken. We have some dry red chillies, some garlic, some fresh basil, and some vegetable oil. Now I'm going to blend this till I get a nice smooth paste. First, season the chicken with salt, pepper, and a splash of lime juice. Then add a tablespoon of the marinade and rub it nicely into the chicken. And leave it aside for say 20 minutes before cooking. To cook the chicken, just grease a hot pan with some vegetable oil and sear the chicken on both sides. Now add about a tablespoon of butter and bake in the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius for say 10 to 12 minutes or till it's cooked through. Rest the chicken for a few minutes before slicing it up. Moving on to the noodles, add about a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter to the pan. Add a tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute it a little bit. Then add the boiled noodles, salt, pepper, chopped spring onions, and toss it up. Now keep tossing the noodles till they heat through, but do not overcook them. Moving on to the sauteed veggies, use any veggies you like. I am using some broccoli, some carrots and some baby corn, which I have already parboiled of course, and some mushrooms. To cook the veggies, heat up a tablespoon of oil in a pan and first cook off the mushrooms on a very high heat. This prevents them from becoming mushy and gives them a nice golden brown color. Then add a tablespoon of butter. Now add the remaining parboiled vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. Add some chopped parsley and saute them till they are cooked through. Now I like a little crunch to my veggies, so about 2 minutes is enough. Now for the sauce, heat a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add a tablespoon of flour or maida and cook it down till you get a wet sand-like texture. Now add a tablespoon of the marinade and about 200 milliliters of water and mix it up till you get a nice smooth sauce. Season it with salt and pepper and your chili basil sauce is ready. So guys, you can first cook up the chicken. Then when it is resting, just cook up the sides and the sauce and serve it piping hot. So guys, the detailed recipe is in the description below. Please do leave your queries in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe for more easy recipes just like this one.